Introduction to Predicates. Predicates. A predicate is not simply an expression that evaluates to true or false. There is more to it. The term predicate is used to refer to an expression that determines whether something is true or false, or in other words, it makes an assertion and returns true or false based on that. The predicate is an expression of taking truth values. It may be both a single expression or any combination of numberless expressions built by using Boolean operators such as AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. The SQL predicates evaluates to the predicate table. P value is true and Q value is true means P and Q is true. The predicate table P value is true and Q value is false means P and Q is false. The predicate table P value is true and Q value is null or unknown means P and Q is null or unknown. To remember combination rules for these three truth values, it is denoted as 1 for true, 0 for false, and 1 by 2 for unknown, that is, it remains between true and false. The predicates are as follows: null operator, in operator, like operators, between operators, comparison operators, predicate null. An attribute, a column, a field can have the value null either because of incomplete information or because the data is not relevant. Syntax is null and its negation is not null. Example: select name from student where details is null. Predicate in. It comprises a list of values and checks if a particular value appears on this list. Syntax: in, value 1, value 2, and so on, and its negation not in, value 1, value 2, and so on. Example: select model from PC where HD in of 10, 20. Predicate between. It specifies the inclusive range to test the expression values. The range is defined by boundary expressions with AND keyword between them. Syntax: between lower limit and upper limit. Example: select name from student where rank between 1 and 5. Predicate comparison. In this, two expressions are separated by a comparison operator. There are 6 conventional comparison operators: equal to, greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, not equal to. The expressions may be of character or numeric type. Syntax: A1 lesser than B1 or A1 is equal to B1 and A2 lesser than B2, etc. Example: select name from student where M1 is greater than or equal to 90 and M2 is lesser than or equal to 90.